3 days. 3 days from now, we have the premiere of our brand new YouTube video podcast series, Lost and Found Muscle Cars. Watch this promo, subscribe to the channel, and start your engines. We're going to get rolling here real soon.
We got a lost muscle car, we'll find it.
My name is Wes Eisenschenk. I created an online community for people searching for their long-lost muscle cars. On this video podcast series, I'll talk to desperate car lovers about how their favorite rides went missing, and with your help and our vast network of internet gearhead sleuths, hopefully we can track down some answers. Buckle up for surprising stories, shocking reveals, and some epic owner car reunions. Click subscribe. Our video podcast premiere is coming soon.